miss my old friend. To talk with you again, because of visions of everything left the scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. It's beautiful within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I rocked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neither here nor the street alone. I turned my car up to the corner dark, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light that spent the night, and there's the sound of silence. Not a light I saw, 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one did. It's still the sound of silence.